Again, the if you see the the question 6, so it says that to create some. Okay, just a second. Yeah, it says that create a 4 by 4 matrix first. It having the random integer values between 1 to 10. Call the matrix that is a matrix first, then, and use a MATLAB to perform the following operation. Okay, for each part of the the explanation of the operation. Like first it says that create a matrix 4 by 4 matrix and apply it on the following operation, like a multiplied square into a, and a divided by a. Okay, so these are some the operation that we can do in MATLAB. So let's solve this question in MATLAB first. First it says that create a 4 by 4 the matrix, okay, using this ran I command. Okay, so what ran I command does, I'll just explain it here again. A is ran. For example, I am applying this 4 by 4, so it will give me this matrix, right? Random variables, or the random elements. Okay, so I'm creating 4 by 4 matrix here using this ran command. Okay, so this is MATLAB inbuilt functions. Same I'm doing it here for applying this ran I command, and I need element 10 to 4. Okay, again I'm applying this operation on this a variables. Okay, so let me first run this, evaluate. Yeah, so I've created this for the 4 by 4 matrix, and applying this expression on this a variables or a matrix, right? So if I apply this, so what it will give me, a into element by element multiplication. Okay, further there we can also see some multiplication using element by element. Okay, so if I apply this to do the element by element multiplication, what I can do, I'll do this. I'll first create a is equal to a dot multiplication a. So this will create a element by element multiplications, okay, in MATLAB, right? So this is simply a expression that you can apply on on the matrix. So if I apply it, it will give me the a value of this element by element multiplication. Okay, so if I want to divide by a, so I'll get these answers. Okay, so I can get the answers from 4 by 4 matrix, but it will give me like dividations values. Okay, further also I'm doing it for d, e, and f. It is like the inverse, and to take the inverse of this a vectors. So what I can do, I'll first yeah, let me evaluate these sections. Yeah, okay, so I can get the values like inverse of a. I'll get this like this is the MATLAB inbuilt math functions. Okay, so I and v. Okay, now to see the the code behind it, in or to take the help from it. So what I can do, I'll just get on this help on inv functions. So it is matrix inverse, right? And it will give some the description. Again, the examples are there, so you can take help from MATLAB this way.